What happens to your body when you drink onion tea? When it comes to healthful beverages, tea may be the last thing on your thoughts. Despite its odd name, onion tea does exist and is made with onions and other components. If you're a tea lover, then you might want to try it if you haven't had it before. It is true that as a popular cooking ingredient, no kitchen is not yet fulfilled without onion. From immunity boosting to normalizing high blood pressure, onions are packed with incredible health benefits. And when prepared into tea, they will be even more powerful. So, in this video, you will know what happens to your body when you drink onion tea. And don't forget to check 2 important onion tea recipes at the end of this video. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Also, be sure to stick around to watch the video till the end. Number 7. Sleep better. According to research, if you drink 1 cup of onion tea every day, you can sleep better. L-tryptophan, an amino acid that is a natural sedative, can be found in onions. Additionally, it aids in lowering stress levels, which in turn improves sleep. According to a study, the prebiotics also found in onions can enhance sleep and even lower stress levels. Prebiotic fiber is broken down by the good bacteria in the gut, which leads to their growth and improvement of gut health, as well as the release of metabolic byproducts. These metabolites have the potential to affect cognition and promote sleep. Number 6. Enhance brain health. According to research, the damaging chemicals in the brain bond with the antioxidants in onions, which then cause the body to expel them. Additionally, the sulfur-containing substances in onions help halt the memory decline associated with aging. It has been discovered that onion extracts can keep the hippocampus healthy. So, make every effort to sip onion tea. Actually, memory damage is improved by diamine trisulfide, another sulfur component found in onions. Although there has not been much research on this, it is also believed that onions can alleviate vertigo, epilepsy, and a dizzy state. Number 5. Boosts immune system. Vitamin C, which is believed to strengthen the immune system, is abundant in onions. Making onion tea can help ward off the flu and cold. Selenium, which is found in onions, activates the immune system. The mineral also guards against an overactive immunological response, which may have negative consequences. Onions play a role in the development and reproduction of immune cells that are selenium deficient. These cells also struggle to produce crucial proteins and transport calcium. So, in the cold winter months, a cup of this beverage can be therapeutic. By the way, at the end of this video, we will make an onion tea for immune boosting. Number 4. Lower blood sugar levels. According to the Journal of Medicinal Food, onions typically reduce the risk of blood sugar rises. Its antioxidative and anti-inflammatory qualities aid in easing diabetes symptoms. So methylcysteine, one of the sulfur compounds found in onions, as well as quercetin, may have favorable effects on blood sugar. However, it was discovered that onions only reveal the beneficial impact when used with the anti-diabetic medication metformin. Another study discovered that polyphenols, particularly those contained in onions, play a part in glycemic management. So drinking onion tea is very helpful in lowering your blood sugar levels. Number 3. Fight cancer. According to the University of Guelph, red onions have the greatest ability to kill breast and colon cancer cells. The chemicals quercetin and anthocyanine, which both contribute to this quality, are abundant in these onions. Onions open up the channels that cause cancer cells to commit suicide. They prevent cancer cells from communicating, which slows down the growth of the disease. Additionally, it was discovered that individuals who consumed the most onions had the lowest risks of cancer. So, drinking onion tea can be another good option if you want to stay away from these problems. Number 2. Control hypertension. High blood pressure is known to be extremely harmful. It causes various cardiovascular problems. So how exactly can onion tea lower blood pressure? Since onions include the blood pressure-lowering substances flavonoid and quercetin, which can help you manage high blood pressure. The flavonoid antioxidant quercetin is found in high concentrations in onions. Because it has strong anti-inflammatory properties, it might help reduce heart disease risk factors like high blood pressure. So brew your onion tea and make your heart even better. Number 1. Regularize cholesterol levels. Quercetin in onion helps the body produce HDL, or good cholesterol, and lowers LDL, or bad cholesterol. This supports maintaining heart health. In addition, the sulfur in onions helps to thin the blood, preventing the formation of blood clots. In contrast to a placebo, A daily dose of 162 milligrams of onion extract high in quercetin was found to significantly lower systolic blood pressure in a trial of 70 overweight and hypertensive individuals. In that case, you need a perfect onion tea recipe to keep your health at a good state. So, let's make an onion tea. Before the tea is steeped, you need to prepare a few things. 1 chopped onion, 2 to 3 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 to 2 cups of water, lemon juice, which is optional, and 1 bay leaf, which is also optional. First of all, boil 1½ cup of water. Now add 1 chopped onion, 2 to 3 crushed garlic cloves, and 1 bay leaf to the boiling water. Boil for some more time till the water changes its color. Now strain and take it out in a cup. Finally, add some honey or dash of lemon juice to enrich the taste further. Have it every morning on an empty stomach for best results. You can also have another cup in the evening. Let's make another onion tea for boosting the immune system. Bring 1 glass of water to boil. Add 1 chopped onion, 2 to 3 black peppercorns, 1 cardamom pod, and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Cover the pan and let it simmer for around 15 to 20 minutes. Strain the tea and have it with or without honey. Have every morning on an empty stomach for best results. Some side effects you need to consider. People with IBS problems can't consume onions. Onions may promote relaxation and trigger heartburn symptoms, especially in people with GERD. Onions may increase your risk of having bad breath. They may also interfere with anticoagulant drugs, like warfarin. So don't take onions while using these kinds of medications. If you have other health conditions, please consult with your nearest doctor before taking onion tea. Even though onion tea may not be the most enticing drink, its health advantages make it worthwhile to try. The immune system can be strengthened, inflammation can be reduced, heart health can be improved, digestion can be improved, and even weight reduction can be helped. Therefore, the next time you're feeling unwell or simply want to enhance your general health, think about making yourself a cup of onion tea. It's also crucial to make other lifestyle changes for a healthy and sound heart. The measures include eating more fruits and vegetables, exercising on a regular basis, and getting plenty of rest. Don't worry about when to drink. You can drink it anytime, anywhere. Please consult with your nearby doctor before taking these. And with that, we wrap up today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For more queries, I have also added some studies at the end of this video description. If you liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fine.